This hair right here is from SnobLife. Oh my gosh, I just want to say off the bat, I was so pissed when I got it and I thought the hair was trash. This hair is like super, super amazing. Now, disclaimer, I'm not using it in the style that I wanted to use it. I wanted to get a bob, but my stylist was like, no, keep it long. I'm going to try to eventually move up to the bob. But this hair is like really, 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 really cute. It's really good. It does not tangle. It does not shed a lot. I mean, just little hair in there, but not at all anything significant. Oh my gosh. I believe it could take dye. I didn't try to dye it yet. It does not have an odor. It's like really soft. It's really, really good hair. I love this hair. I think this hair can actually last. I don't notice any split ends. I don't notice anything that would be like, oh my gosh. So, anyway, this is the hair now, and it's like dry kind of form, so I wanted everybody to see it. This is actually only 2 bundles and a closure. The closure was 18. I have a 16 and a 14 in. Or 2 14s, I don't remember. But the hair is pretty long. And I'm pretty short, so anyway, and it was kind of trimmed a little bit with a bang. So I'm going to wet it and I'm going to show you all because I really think this hair is like super sexy when it gets wet. It's really, really cool. I love this hair. Anyway. Hey, so I'm back. So this is what the hair looks like when it's wet. And I didn't like drench it with water. I just put enough water. Pretty much I put my head under the faucet and I kind of like wet it. So it would get back a little bit calmer. It will get its wavy pattern back. So like when you comb your hair through everything, like a couple of strands come out. Like literally a couple. Like 1 and a half. Maybe 2. 2 and a half. So it's not anything significant. Anything to be like, oh my gosh. Because you do that to your own hair anyway. But then you want to put in this Moroccan treatment oil. So this Moroccan oil is like a little sample that I got from Sephora. And it is the truth. Okay? The truth. So get this. It has a big bottle or any Moroccan oil or anything that's like oily. Because you really want to put oil in because you want to keep this like wet look. If this is what you like. Right? But this here I think is better as a wet look instead of like a dry, like, you know, hay patch. I don't think that really will work. And then you got silicone mix. Then you're going to drench this hair, half drench it. Like I kind of stick my hand in, take it, rub it through, rub it especially through the ends. Like these are the ends. The ends really curl nicely. I really like it. So you put this through and then it dries. And throughout the day, it's probably going to get a little stiff and you're going to have to wet it again. But just wet it and you know, it's really cool. And I think this will make like an awesome bob. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to get like a bob with this. So, yeah. So this is my review on this snob hair. Brief background of this hair. Okay, so this is right now the 18-inch closure. It's the Indian curly closure. And then I have 2 16s. And the 16s are, I have 2 16s that are Ethiopian curly. So I have the top, the closure right now actually comes in dark, so it wasn't my skin color, and the stylist had to bleach it. But it looked pretty okay. I didn't put makeup on it this time, the first time, because I got it installed. Oh gosh. The whole installation story was like crazy. I got this hair installed. A week later I had to take it out because the first install, the stylist put glue, or actually wig glue, not even got to be glue, on my closure and gave me baby hairs. But baby hairs were fine. Anyway. It was on my skin. It gave me a horrible allergic reaction. I had to take everything out. There goes my computer dying. So now I had to get it again, and I think she had to cut it. So it's like going back, but you know, it's not coming forward like I would like. But it still looks, yeah, I like it. Anyway, so this hair is really, really good. This hair that I have is really good. I really like it. I love the curl pattern. I love the color. Love everything about it. It seems to last a long time. It's still soft. I haven't put any heat on it, so maybe that's the reason why. But this hair is really good. So if you're interested in getting anything from SnobLife, you know, check it out. I give them the thumbs up. They're awesome in my book. Reasonably priced. Shipping was amazing. I did overnight. I got it the next day. It was really, you know, everything that they said they were going to do, they did. So, I appreciate it. And I will definitely be doing business with them again. So, alright. See you all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe below, alright? And leave a comment and tell me if you have any questions, any other companies that are good that I can try out. I would love to. So, alright. Take care. Bye.